In this quick practice better tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a floating menu to your platform. If you've been looking for a way to make navigation easier for your clients, stick around, because adding a floating menu can dramatically enhance the user experience. Let's dive in. First things first, log into your Practice Better account. Once you're in, head to the Settings section where all the customization options are stored. You'll find the floating menu settings in a section that handles site design and layout options. If you're familiar with other tools, you might recognize this as where you make global design changes for your platform, like colors, fonts, and, of course, the menu. Next, navigate to the Appearance settings. From here, you'll want to look for the Navigation settings, where you can adjust elements like your top header and floating menu. It's pretty intuitive, but there's a trick you'll need to use to get that menu to float on your screen. Once you've located the floating menu toggle, simply enable it. Now, you'll notice the options to choose what content you want to appear in this menu. Depending on your setup, you might want to include links to client portals, scheduling options, or even blog posts. This is where Practice Better really shines, allowing you to tailor the floating menu to whatever suits your business best. The next thing you'll want to do is adjust the position and behavior of your menu. Most floating menu options allow you to choose whether the menu will appear on the left or right side of the screen. You can also select whether you want it to be a sticky menu that follows the user as they scroll, or if you prefer it to appear only when triggered by a specific action, like a hover or click. The fourth thing, take a look at the visual appearance. You'll be able to adjust the icons, colors, and overall design so that it matches your branding. Customization is key, and Practice Better allows you to fine-tune these details, ensuring that the menu not only works well, but looks great too. Next, make sure to test your menu. Preview it to check that everything works smoothly before going live. There's nothing worse than having a feature that looks great but doesn't function properly, so give it a quick test on both desktop and mobile views. After all, you want your clients to experience seamless navigation across all devices. Finally, once you're satisfied with your menu, save your changes and make it live. You've now got a floating menu that makes it easier for your clients to navigate your site while ensuring everything they need is just one click away. But before you go, I've got something important to mention. While Practice Better offers great options for customizing floating menus, there are some alternatives out there that are better for people who are looking to streamline the user experience and expand their platform's functionality. These options offer more flexibility with their floating menus and additional features that might better align with your goals. And here's the kicker. You can get an exclusive, extended free trial for both Practice Better and these alternatives through the link in the description. That's right, a deal that's not available to the general public, just for our viewers. Make sure you check it out, and if you're ready to level up your platform, you'll find the best offers at your fingertips.